Little heart, little heart.
Subscribe, little hearts. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Rest of all are consonants. Vowels. Consonants. Vowel with consonant sounds. A, T, at. Examples: cat, hat, bat, rat, fat, mat. Words with letter A: N, an, fan, fan, pan, pan, van, van. Words with letter A: G, ag, bag, tag, tag, wag, wag. Words with letter A: M, am, jam, jam, yam, yam. Words with letter A: P, app, tap, tap, cap, cap, map, map. Words with letter A: D, ad, sad, sad, dad, dad. Complete the sentence based on the pictures. The blank is on the mat. Cat. The cat is on the mat. The rat is on the blank. Hat. The rat is on the hat. The man has a blank bag. The man has a bag. The lad has a blank cap. The lad has a cap. The man is in the blank van. The man is in the van. The blank is in the bag. Bat. The bat is in the bag. Read aloud. A fat cat. The fat cat and a rat sat on a mat. The fat cat had a nap on the mat. Thank you for subscribe. Watch our other videos.